Hi everybody. So I'm here in sunny California. If y'all can see the blue skies. I'm here at the Bold Conference, just a little talk, which is cool. But I wanted to answer everybody's questions about Age of Great. I know a lot of y'all have seen emails and posts about it, and there have been some questions. I figured if one person has a question, then more than one person has the same question. So I wanted to kind of explain a little bit about what the program is, so all of you who are on the fence can know which direction to go. So our Age of Great program starts September the 3rd. It'll be the first Monday in September. So this is our signature transformation program. So it's combining our nutrition and fitness for the ultimate transformation. And we're not just talking weight loss. So we have had clients do this program who have lost anywhere from 5 to 30 pounds, but it's not really what it's about. So yes, it's an added bonus, but it's more about taking control of your fitness and your nutrition, knowing how and what and when and why to eat what you are eating, not starving yourself, not going on crazy fad diets. So it's really just taking control and just creating a lifestyle. I know that's super cliche, but we want to help you create a lifestyle that works for you, where you're not having to give up your favorite foods or give up a whole food group or, give up carbs for the rest of your life to lose weight. It's not about that. So our program is going to combine nutrition. So you're going to get customized meal plan. You're going to get recipes, nutrition, meal plan guide, meal planning. You're going to get grocery lists. We're going to do a little detox at the beginning to kind of set the base for our new healthy bodies that we're creating. You are going to get accountability. We have a private Facebook group, so you're going to be able to be in that group and ask questions and kind of collaborate with your peers who are in the program, encourage, find new ways to reach your goals. So that's what it's about. You have a goal, may or may not be weight loss. Maybe it's just accountability. A lot of people know what to eat. They just need somebody to tell them what to do and how to do it. So that's what this program is about. So we're giving you the accountability aspect with the fitness, with the nutrition. So with that being said, we have 3 pricing options depending on kind of what your goal is with the program. So if you're a current InBalance member, or if you don't live near the studio. So those of you who are watching this or who will watch this that don't live anywhere near an InBalance studio, you can still do Age of Great. You can still get the nutrition portion of it, which really, in all reality, that's the most important part. We all know that nutrition is 80% of our fitness, maybe more than that, of our fitness goals. So the nutrition portion is crucial. So even if you don't live anywhere in an InBalance studio, or you already have a membership and you don't need the classes, you can do just the nutrition portion. If you are an InBalance member, you can do, or if you aren't an InBalance member, but you live near a studio, you can do the program that has 2 months of classes, 8 weeks of classes with the nutrition portion. If you want a little more than that, you want a little bit more one-on-one, a little bit more accountability, some private sessions, we do have an option that includes some private sessions. So there's 3 options for you to choose from based on what your goal is, based on what you're looking for. And we also have payment plans available, so you don't necessarily have to pay it all in one piece. So if you have questions that I haven't answered, you can leave them in the video. You can message us on Instagram, on Facebook, you can email us. We're happy to answer all of your questions. But if you're on the fence about it, maybe you think you don't have the time or whatever, I would just really encourage you to just jump in. So you can look on the website, which I'll post. It's on our Facebook feed, but I'll also post it on the next post, and then I'll post it on Instagram. But if you look at some of what our members are saying, members who have done the program, you can kind of see for yourself. So it isn't necessarily all those who needed to lose a ton of weight. It's just that little extra guidance, that little extra accountability, and really the little extra education, information that you need to kind of push you to that goal that you're looking for. We all want to be stronger. We all want to be healthier. We all want to look good in our jeans. So that's what it's about. We want to feel good. We want to feel strong. We want to feel healthy. The added bonus is the weight loss and the changing bodies, and it is going to change your body. So yeah, if you have any other questions, you can leave them below. Registration is closing at the end of August. So there's a couple more weeks to sign up, but I would jump on it. The sooner you commit, the sooner you're committed, right? So once you sign up, you're committed. So go ahead and just take a leap, and I'm happy to answer questions, and hopefully I will see some more of you in our program that starts just a couple weeks. Thanks, guys.